Okay, I will do my. Am I showing it correctly? Yeah. So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is all about my 24th year birthday shopping. So this year I turned 24-year-old and my birthday falls on 27th of June. I'm 2000 born, so it is very much easy to calculate my age. I know it's a long time since I am doing this unboxing because मैंने खुद नहीं किया. I was so occupied with other things, and as I am again back on YouTube, so I was occupied. So now it's a high time I do that because I am soon going to a trip, so I need to see what I got. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. Without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so starting with the first thing first are the books that I got this time. I am not a book lover. I was not a book lover, that is to say, and now I have some time because I spend a lot of time on internet and my screen time is really high. So overall my judgment was like, if I get some books that I can really make myself cut my screen time, so I got books now and I am forever a Harry Potter fan. During my hostel days, Harry Potter was one such thing that was always on my laptop. I used to watch and go to sleep. Initially I thought to get the 7 books, the whole set one, but I thought let me give it a try that I can read this thick book. So that's why I got 3 of them, and currently I am in the second part, which is the Chambers of Secret. Already I have finished the Philosopher's Stone, and yeah, I don't know, this one I finished the first part. I finished in July and August, so 1.5 months. So I am not at all a quick reader yet. I'm a very much into things right now that I'm going crazy. I really build up that reading wala skill within me. I never thought I can read and I have that patience. But yeah, slowly I'm building. So this one I finished in 1.5 months and I'm like, I'm crazy, who am I? And I really loved it. So this is about, and if I tell you, if you are not a book reading person like me, like if you do not like to read books and all, and if you are a Harry Potter fan, then please go for this set because this is crazy. It drives you like go nuts. You want to finish, and it's so interesting. Harry Potter is indeed a very interesting out there story. So yeah, next is the Chambers of Secret. Currently I'm here right now. I have read this much, only this much, yet to start this. Started this September itself, and I don't know when I will start this one, but I will let you know all soon. And I love these books. So this I bought online from Amazon itself, so I will link it down. I can link it down there. I purchased earlier also from Flipkart. I had to return that because the quality is so bad. Because when you are buying Harry Potter, you need to maintain that quality, right? So yeah, it's a good quality book and I really love it. And this is how the case look like. Philosopher's Stones, and here we have Prisoners of Azkaban, I guess. Yeah, the third part. So yeah, this is the first thing I got from Amazon and I totally love it. Okay, so the next thing I purchased is this book right here. It calls The Art of Laziness. Like if you want some motivation, if you want to get started with your life and you are feeling really lazy out there and don't know like what to do, तुमको बहुत सारे doubts हो रहे हैं मन में कि कैसे start करें, whether it's worthy or not. I think this book gonna help you so much. I used to read 1-2 pages at a time. Each night I read, and I love. Almost I have finished reading. I don't remember in which page I do, but yeah, I don't have any bookmark right here. But this book is so good for that. If you want to just get started and really get boosted up. And Harry Potter is very much fictional and very much like the of different world itself, and this one when you want to come in the reality and work hard, work upon yourself, this is something you should consider buying. Having said that, of our age, definitely. It's so relaxing, calm, yet it's give you a kick, and it's so heavy that you will feel motivated. The days you feel like lying on the bed doing nothing, reading this book will help you boost up your energy. Okay, so yeah, this is the next book I have from, it's called The Library Mindset. It's the Amazon production, and yeah, that's the thing, it's not about a person or something, it's about the, it all about killing up your procrastination and doing the hard work that you need to do. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so moving to the next thing. So these are basically the, from where it is. This is from Love Child by Masaba. This is Sephora and Anika, big parcel right here. So these are basically the beauty things, beauty essential things that I shop this time. And okay, so about this packaging, I got a lot of.
So here is a
lipstick.
quick backstory of the offline shopping. So during my birthday, I was in a lot of stress because I was having my final examination, had to submit my thesis. So we need to go to Chandigarh to submit in my college. So this is a view from my building. I am a student. I was a student of Chandigarh University. It feels so weird. I'm happy and sad at the same time. You know how it goes. And in that evening itself, I went for shopping with my brother because I was feeling so relief after so long. We went to the Via Mall, shopped from there, and then the next day I was having my friend from Delhi, so I got some time to shop from DLF Mall as well. So I went there. After that, quickly I boarded the train and back to reality.
I have selected 5 best, brown shade for the brown skin girls right there. Then, and that video is here. If you haven't seen it yet, go and watch it. You will love it. I tell you. So here I have all those lipstick right here. I do not really wanna spill, but yeah. There are many lipsticks that I got this time, and not only lipstick, I got some Elfka lip lacquer also, and yeah, there are many things I got, but compiling all of them, I made a separated video of that. So please watch this Love Child wala thing, whatever I have in that video, you're gonna love it. Okay, I did a full swatch of it. Moving to the next one, this one I have to see myself as well, that what I have from Sephora. Oh, nice. So I have my favorite lip balm right here that I got from Sephora. So yeah, this is the first one that I got. The another thing I got is the Benefit Pore Minimizing Primer from Sephora itself. This is the best primer ever, so I love it. Okay, so moving to the next parcel right here. This is from Nykaa again. We have a very big dabba right here going on. Ta-da! Oh my god. So I wanted this for so long time now that I even forgot how much it is long. Okay, so this is a straightener from Agaro. Basically, it's a blower plus straightener, like everything. It's called the Agaro Volumizer Hair Dryer. Okay, so let me quickly open it now and show it to you all how it looks like. This is how it look like, and I find the grip of it and the buildable, the quality it is made up of, I find it's really classy and good quality one. It also got this ceramic kind of things that will make your hair go less damaged. Any day heat protectant you will be using. Okay, so I haven't used it yet, but I'm so happy that finally I got hands on. I was so skeptical because I'm very much worried. More than me, my mom is very much worried about my hairs getting damaged because of the heat I'll be using. So कभी भी मैंने अभी तक इतना हिम्मत नहीं हुआ कि मम्मा ले लूँ करके. Every time I used to do it from the salon itself. Then also for the occasions, not every time. But अभी तक जितने बार भी मैंने किया है salon में जाके. So yeah. My mom says it's very bad for your hair health overall, so I didn't had one yet, but now I got. I'm really happy. I used to have like the proper hair dryer I have, not this kind of brush. So this is the first one. I will do some proper review of it after using because I haven't used it yet. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next one, I have a beautiful watch here from Musk and Howard, and currently I am using a digital watch which I am not a very much fan of, and I love analog watches right then. And so this is how it looks like. Oh, so pretty. So this is how it looks like, if you can see. So let me open it now. Okay, so it's such a pretty watch. The rim and the belt, yeah. So next thing I shop from Myntra, overall outfit that I purchased. This is not a birthday outfit or something like that. It's a very simple day-to-day casual wearing outfit. So I was missing a white shirt for a long time, and I really want white is my one of the favorite colors. So this time I went for a full white shirt, and this one is from the Heister. I will link it down because I shopped online, so I can. So this is how it looks like. It's a very pretty, plain, basic one. So I'm not giving you a try on haul, but this is how it looks. A proper full sleeve one with small pockets going on. One I have are chains from Only. So this is how it looked like. It got very beautiful detailing right here at the edges, and I really love how it got a boyfriend kind of jeans, yeah, for mom jeans kind of shape, and it fits right up to my ankle. Okay, so the length is very much perfect for me. I got it in the size 31, little bit of baggier than my waist size is 30, but I went for the baggier one, and it seems very good. And at the end you get this kind of detailing right here. Pant material is so soft, and it does not feel like you are wearing the heavy tough jeans. Rather it is very soft, cottony, and like the trousers. So this time I went for comfort rather than those birthday dresses which I will never wear. So yeah, this is the outfit. Okay, so moving to the last one that I got from Myntra are my first pair of Adidas shoes. I am a big fan of Puma. Okay, I love their shoes. This is the first time I got hands on the Adidas shoes right there. Then because first it was a damn good sale on their site, okay, and nextly I was like, I need to get this one because these shoes are so pretty. Let me show you. You will tell yourself that how pretty these are. So I was like, quickly as I saw it, it's like I need to have one because these are the evergreen ones, and you will see why I'm telling that. So let me quickly show. Okay, let me show to you now. Now tell me, how cute are these shoes? So it got very beautiful detailing right here, जो भी इसका logo है, and see this pink color. This looks so stunning. Okay, so can you say I got it in the size my 7, like 40. 8.5 US and 40.5 is my fit size. So this is how stunning the color is. It got that this logo right here and also printed right here how it is for every brand right there. Puma mein bhi aisa hi hota hai. So yeah, this is so good. It's like you are walking on clouds. I'm not kidding you guys. These are such comfy. The sole is. Okay, so this is the next purchase I did. I'm totally happy. Like I'm full taken. So I'm very much happy with this personal purchase right there. I'm fumbling because this is so cute pair. So I love it. Okay, so that's it for this video. That were pretty much of my birthday shopping this year. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will like this keep sharing all my insights with you all because I love that. And yeah, and by the way, I'm a mindful shopper, not like I got everything that I need, not want. So yeah, that's pretty much of the outro. So I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.